In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on this section called About Phone. Now select device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. Once you're done, hit OK and confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on OK here. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!